Your love of your mother will be very, very different from the love of your husband or your wife. Very different. It's love. Sometimes mothers are very possessive and they come and they fight with their children because they become jealous of the love that their new spouse has for them, as though you are in competition. My beloved mother, there is no competition here. Come on. And please don't give me the sentence where, you can never replace your mother, but you can replace your wife. Have you heard that one? Mama, I will leave the house, but I'm not going to leave my wife. But what did she do? Nothing. If she's wrong, I will stand up for her. No, I won't. I stand up for you. But if she's right, it's hers. I will respect you and honor you. Don't come with blackmail. Many people, and I can tell you something very interesting, many people use religious blackmail in order to justify the tyranny that they are engaged in. What that means is, you're a horrible person. You're swearing, shouting, you're abusing my wife, you are doing so many nasty things, and you're telling me, be careful, Jannah is under my feet. Even Jahannam might not be there. Wallah, it's strange. How can Jannah be beneath the feet of someone going to Jahannam? And when I said this, there were some scholars making videos. Look at what Mufti Meng said. I am honest with you to say that yes, Jannah lies at the service of your mother. Sometimes serving your mother is to correct her. Allah told people to correct their parents. Allah told Ibrahim to correct his father. But Allah said, do it respectfully. That's what it is. It doesn't mean my father has a key to the door of paradise. Indeed, I have to serve him. There is a hadith which says the pleasure of Allah is when your father is pleased with you. Allahu Akbar. What type of a father is that? Is he the drunkard who comes and oppresses and abuses and sexually assaults his own daughters and so on? No way. We're talking of the normal people who are actually amazing human beings who are fearful of Allah. Then we're talking. They are not going to abuse. They're not going to insult. They will encourage me. They will be happy at the fact that I found love to marry